And you got 9 calls based
Yeah.
on one cat exam.
After my CAT, I was not that confident कि it went well. Whichever college I applied to, I got a call from them.
It doesn't matter how many calls you get. I know people जिनको 6 7 8 calls आई हैं, zero conversion.
So, what was your conversion rate? That out of these nine, how many actually sent you a letter to come?
Interview कैसी गई हर्षिता?
If you're talking about something in your interview, you should know it like in depth. After my CAT, I was not that confident कि it went well. So I also had a lot of other exams lined up like ZAT. In December, CAT का percentile or the marks come already. So we kind of get an estimate of how many calls can we get. So I started getting calls from tier 2 colleges and from private colleges as well.
कब आती हैं ये calls हर्षिता?
I'm not sure right now, but if it's similar to 1 or 2 years ago, I think it's yeah, it starts coming around March, April, and then and they start lining up the interviews as well. So I think, for example, Great Lakes is there. There is also GIM, which is Goa Institute of Management. Four, all these have calls in the first half of the year itself. Actually, I felt that these interviews were a very good practice for students to give the interviews for IIMs, which happen a bit later on. Like I had given IIM Amritsar, IIM Sambalpur, IIM Sirmaur, all these IIMs interviews, Nagpur. So yeah, they came a little later on.
So November is CAT and you get a lot of these tier 2 colleges in February, March. IIMs
Yeah.
की कब आनी शुरू होती हैं?
It's I think January end, January first week we get the estimate marks, and Jan end tak we get the whole result, and then in the next 2 weeks we start getting calls. But then they have the interview schedules. So first week you'll just get a call, and then you'll be told about the interview in maybe like 2 3 more weeks. But then different colleges have different systems. Like for IIM Vishakhapatnam, there's a process of SOP. So first they will take an SOP from you, and then they will give you a call based on the SOP as well as the percentile. For Amritsar, they had a resume check or something like that. Was
How many calls did you get? 10 calls? 15 calls? 2 calls?
whichever college I applied to, I got a call from them.
It doesn't matter how many calls you get. I'll be very honest. I know people जिनको 6 7 8 calls आई हैं, zero conversion. And I know people जिनको एक कॉल आई है अहमदाबाद या बैंगलोर से, full 100% conversion उसी में पहुंच गए हैं. And you got 9 calls based on
Yeah.
one CAT exam.
Yes.
Vix.
So, what was your conversion rate? That out of these nine, how many actually sent you a letter to come?
I'll just touch wood here, but I have 100% conversion rate.
100%
So
conversion rate.
yeah, I'm kind of like good with speaking and good with group discussions, and there were a lot of extempore kind of rounds as well.
इंटरव्यू कैसी गई हर्षिता? और इंटरव्यू में किसी भी whether it's विशाखापट्टनम, अमृतसर, tell us one story which is like कि क्या मजा आया या फिर लग गई लेकिन एडमिशन हो गया.
My IIM Vishakhapatnam interview and my IIM Nagpur interview was like 1 day apart. So first was Nagpur ka interview and then Vishakhapatnam ka, and I was inclined towards both of them. Like these were my best bet at that time, and I wanted to get into any of them. So I was a little like flabbergasted when it started. I gave my best, but I don't know why I talked about a few things that were in my mind, but there's a saying: if you're talking about something in your interview, you should know it like in depth. So I think they asked me a question about what are you doing in COVID or how are you spending your time, and I mentioned something about doing yoga, which I was doing. Like I was very interested in meditation yoga at that time, but I did not memorize the names of asanas because I didn't know that this could be something that would be asked to me in an interview. But I couldn't, like, I just could remember half of it and I couldn't answer it properly.
आप मतलब 5 5
So
बोल दिए, राइट? You name
हाँ
5
मतलब
asanas. 5
yes,
भी
yes,
ठीक है,
yes.
मतलब कंप्लीटली झूठ नहीं बोल रहे थे, बट थोड़ा-सा इंटरव्यू में एम्बेलिश करके बोल रहे थे, दैट इज़ फाइन. आई थिंक दैट्स
Exactly,
फाइन.
exactly. I think most of my interviews asked me about marketing, and since I had a work experience, like 1 year work experience before MBA, not a lot of them focus on my undergrad subjects, because a lot of people will ask about that. Who are freshers, but since I had work ex, they asked me about marketing only. They asked me about what have I worked in these internships, what did I work on. There were some questions about GK, about what did you read in the newspaper today, like tell me three business world news that you read. There was a math question I remember in one of my interviews, and then I answered it correctly, so kudos to me on that. But yeah, that was it mostly.
Cool, cool. So you aced all these interviews and then you got your IIM of first choice and you
Yeah.
reached Visakhapatnam.